We're going to take a look at the statistical functions of VNote today. Here's a baseball game just as a sample data. You can use it for research, you can use it for football, you can use it for anything really. The same logic applies. Here are all the hits marked on the timeline. Here are some of the runs in yellow. And we've got the names of some players down below as well. Smith, Jones, Jenkins, Salome, Herschel, etc. Strikeout, error, all of that's there. So let's take a look at, for example, Salome here. He was up here. He was also here, and both times he had a hit. And so 100% of his ups so far had a hit. Whereas, if we look, there were a bunch more hits, and he only had 2 of them. So let's look at the statistics. If we want to export some meaningful data for this, we can go up to the top, File, Export Overlap Statistics, and we're just going to look at Instance Overlap Statistics. And when we click, give it a title, Baseball Sample Data, it'll put it on our desktop, then we can go and find it, and here it is. So here's Salome, here's his 100% of his ups were a hit. Whereas, if we go over here to Salome, and we look at the hits, he got 15.38% of the hits. If you work out the math, Smith got 15.38, in other words, 2. Jones got 2. It tells you how many segments there were coded, so there were 13 hits. Salome had 2, and it calculates the percentage for you. And that kind of gives you the flavor. You can kind of go both ways, crisscrossing for all of your statistics there. If you're looking for imperfect overlap type data to see what extent my labels or codes agree with yours, then you'll want to check out our other videos. Thanks.